So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clone Instagram app on your iPhone very easily. Now in order to do it, you just simply need the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now first of all, log in your default Instagram ID to your default Instagram app. Now again open Safari browser and search for Instagram right there. Now once you search that, here simply go to the login page and log into the other ID that you want to add to home page right from here. Now all you need to do is to just simply press on the three dots. Once you logged in, press on share. Now once you do that, you'll see this option of add to home screen. Simply press over there. Once you do that, simply name it Instagram or the Instagram 2 or something that you want to differ it from, and hit add. Now once you do that, here you'll see the two different Instagram apps on my iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.